And tell me a little bit about what that internship was like. This was kind of a first strategy role for you, right?
Absolutely. I think
Did
this
it
role
feel super like non-technical for you? Did it feel like a good match? And tell me about how you felt like, okay, this is something I'm going to do full time.
It was a brand new space for me. I had not worked in tech before. The group that I joined was focused on what was then Microsoft's server and tool business. And so, thinking about cloud computing, backend infrastructure, all things that I had no experience in. So day one of the job, kind of came in and I was like, great, what is the cloud? Let's start there. But the summer internship was an incredible opportunity. I think it was very much, drinking from a fire hose. I think it was a lot to learn at once. But, also a great opportunity to kind of bring some more operational engineering skills into more of a strategy project. And so the summer was focused around one strategy project and having kind of the ability to structure that, think about, cost synergies, think about, where are the revenue opportunities for Microsoft to accelerate some of their businesses. And then at the end of the summer, present to leadership on, what are opportunities for the business. I think was a phenomenal experience. I think learning the entire
cool.
through and having kind of a tangible project at the end to present was great.
Were you nervous on that final presentation? I'm sure that's nerve-wracking to like leadership having to go up. And how many? One of the questions that popped in my head is this are you doing this internship alongside other MBAs, or are you doing this along undergrads?
It's alongside other MBAs, and so for this project, it was me paired with an MBA, and we had a joint project together.
And that's pretty impressive. It's kind of like you'd never even got an MBA, but you get this MBA internship.
Absolutely. Yeah. I was part of Microsoft's MBA internship experience. And so, got all the perks that went along with that and got to meet the incredible MBAs that Microsoft had hired and recruited kind of across the business.